welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. You guys, we almost done. We halfway through this. Or am I gonna do it to the 25th? I might just stop at the 25th, depending on how I'm feeling. But I'm currently I'm in the mood for cleaning right now. I just want to clean like the living room area. It's a little bit dusty, and I'm going to show you guys something that caught my eye, and I was like, how the heck did I let that go so long without cleaning it? So I'm going to clean this area, right, my living room area. I'm currently got some beans on the stove, and baby, that is smelling up the whole house. You know when your food is smelling good? Not smelling good and tasting good, because I tasted a little bit of the broth. I got some northern beans on the stove, and I put some smoked turkey up in it. Y'all, that's gonna be some bomb. Our dinner is gonna be so good, if I don't say so myself. And I gotta pat myself on the back. But anywho, and I'm gonna put some cornbread with it, and yeah, it's okay. And sop that cornbread in that. Anyway, let me get off of it because I'm getting hungry. But anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. Like I said, this is Vlogmas Day 17, and I'm going to clean my living room. The light keep going out. It's like some kind of shortage or something, to where if one light is on, it'll pop. Y'all, we not gonna even speak on that. But anywho, so tidy up my living room because it is a mess, as you guys can see. I haven't cleaned down here in a while, so I said, okay, let's clean. And we almost done, y'all. And I want to say, even though I'm tired, and I told you guys I'm tired, and you guys still encouraging me, and a lot of you guys say, Ebony, if you stop, we understand. Vlogmas is very, very time consuming. It takes up a lot of your time. However, I'm past the halfway mark, and it was getting down on me, y'all, because December the 15th was my dad's birthday. My dad's been passed away for years now, and I always get down around the Christmas season, but so far I'm still pushing. So by the grace of God, I thank God, because my depression will kick in around this time, because I miss my dad. And I was a daddy's girl. You know, my dad wasn't in my life, but I was definitely a daddy's girl, and even at his worst, he made sure people know it. So, but anyway, I miss him. I know he's watching over me and all that, so I love you, Daddy. I know I miss saying happy birthday, but happy birthday. But anywho, y'all, I'm gonna clean my living room. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these cleaning videos. Okay, I would truly appreciate it. So let's get started.
So you all, I have a new product in my home that I want to share with you guys. Levoit reached out to me and they wanted to send me this product to view, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. This is the Levoit Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. It has this nozzle where you can change it into different directions, but not only is it a humidifier, it also is a diffuser, and that's the part that I am loving the most, to bring in that cool fresh air. As you guys can see on the side here, it shows you the water level. It also recommends that you use distilled water, and this is the part where you can drop a few drops of any of your essential oils that you like, of your choice, in here, and it diffuses out the aroma. Now you guys know I love it. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. You just fill it out. It has the instructions inside and you fill it out. It also comes with an instruction manual, which this was very easy to do. And also a cleaning brush, you know, to clean out the water. Sometimes the water can set. And it also comes with 2 extra aromatherapy pads. It's already one in there, and you just push it in and pop it out and add your oils in it. And this is what I've been using. So currently I'm going to share with you guys where I am using my oils, and I love it right here in my living room, because this is the general area now that it's beginning to be the holidays where everybody is at, and no one is really suffering from a cold, so I don't need to use the humidifier, not just yet, but I am using it for the aromatherapy. You guys know I love having smell in my house. Like, I don't like to walk in a stale house. I love smell. It gotta smell like something pine sol, something fresh air. But this diffuser also freshens the air, and that's what I like. It has 3 settings on that, and I'm going to share that with you. So the blue setting, that the hidden, that just turns it on, and that's the lowest setting. Then the yellow light, that's the medium mist setting, as you guys can see there, and the purple is the high mist setting. That's the one that I currently have it on in my home, because I just love the smell of my essential oils. And you can put any kind, any scent. If it's frankincense, I love the orange clove, perfect for the holiday season. Peppermint, mix those up, come with your own little concoction, have your house smelling all Christmassy and so I am loving this humidifier. Thank you so much, Levoit, for reaching out and sending me this humidifier, because like I said, not only can I use it for humidifier, but I can also use it a diffuser as well, and I just have it just cleaning the air. Guys, I am loving it. I will link everything down in the description box if you want to get your hands on it. So let's get back into cleaning.